Man, what a difference a few weeks has made. We went from regular schedules, regular life, to waiting on lines at the grocery store and looking for toilet paper. And now we're dealing with a lot of businesses being shut down, people having to work from home, our hours are completely upside down. So you may find yourself with a little extra free time. And if you do, we're trying to give you a few things that you can do at home as a car person to kind of occupy that time. That it's kind of hard to make a plan when we really don't know how long these things will.
Did you get all the files I sent you?
For what?
For the logo?
Do you know how hard it is to get this stuff? Don't just go wrapping it around your hand 7 or 8 times like it's just growing on trees. All you have to do is take one little piece and then fold it in half. Do you understand?
Yes.
Jackson?
Dad?
Yeah?
But then only they grow.
This may be one of those times that you want to use your time wisely, go through and do some things that have been neglected for a while. Most car people are going to have some detailing supplies laying around the house. Compound wax. This is a good time to go ahead and get those swirl marks out of your paint.
Wait. Or the other one.
Since you have the time, go to your car and find anything that's wrong and fix it. It's also a great time to knock out all those maintenance items that you've been neglecting. Another thing that you can do is install any parts that you may have laying around, or if you're able to get parts or that you actually need or want, this is a good time to knock those installs out as well. Now, I have to clean all of this up. Getting all of your tools and workspaces cleaned and organized takes a lot of time, and frankly, it can be really annoying, but it makes working so much easier. So utilize this time to get that done. So I guess this brings us to the end of our piece of content on 4 things you can do at home during this time. If you have any other suggestions or things that we didn't cover, throw them down below. Help out some other car people kind of get through some of the boredom and social distancing. We hope this time passes just as quickly as it came and we can get back to normal life. But But until then, make sure you take care of yourself and take care of each other. Take care. Barks like horns. Rainbow frogs in front. Barks like